Okay, I'm in my web browser. I'm going to log into my Google account. I'm going to type in the address docs.google.com. I'm going to need to log in using the same login that I used to get into my email for Google. If you're using Google Docs for the first time, you won't see this whole list of documents that I have here. What you'll simply do is go over on the left hand side here under Create, and you're going to choose Drawing, and then you'll be brought to this blank screen here. The first thing you're going to want to do is give your drawing a name, so that way you can distinguish it from other files that you work on. So I will just call this my sample. And you'll see you can choose from a number of tools here. What we'll focus on using are the shapes and the text box. The shapes will be helpful to add a variety of different things. I'm going to draw a sun here. Once you choose a shape, you can change the color for it. You'll see it defaults to be this pale blue color, but you can choose any color here. Make that yellow. By clicking anywhere here, you can add text as well. So if I want to add sunshine day, it will add it like so. To manipulate any of the text here, you can go, once you have it highlighted, and choose a different size that you may want. If you want to make it bold or italicize it, you can choose to do that. Another tool that you can use is word art. That will make your text look a little different. And you'll see it'll take up more of your space here. The same thing goes with changing the color. You can choose a different color from up here. When you're finished with your drawing, what you're going to do is go to this File menu up here. Click on Download as a JPEG. And depending on what program, you'll see it's opened up straight here for me, and it defaulted to choose the name that I had given it in Google Docs. So right now the file is called sample.jpg, and it's in my downloads folder. Okay. If you wanted to make the background of your drawing a certain color, I'm going to choose this to be green. You'll see now that one section with the words has kind of been overshadowed by this green section. What you can use is the different options under the Arrange menu. You can choose to bring one section either to the front of the picture, you can bring it all the way to the front, or you can just bring it forward one movement. The same thing with moving it back. You can move it back one movement, or you can move it to the very back of your picture. I'm going to choose to bring this to the front, so then it will be on top of the green section here. I'm going to add some blue to my background here. I'll make a blue shape here. Make it blue. And since I want this to be behind everything else, Under the arrangements, I am going to send to the back. So it'll be at the very back and everything else will be right on top of it. And that's it. Since I made changes afterwards, I'll resave it. And that's it.